Hello, and we're going to be doing something very epic. So last time we made this. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it on the top right of your screen. We basically made parts one and two. I think I'll link part one if you haven't seen any. We made this, and then every time we click on it, if we have 50 money, we will get 5 money a second. But we take 50 money, so you're on the back of a 10 seconds, and it's exponential profit. But we only have one, and we'd like something that costs more and gives you more. So we're going to make that today. So what you're going to do is right click this sprite and click duplicate. And then you're going to go ahead, delete that, and design something different. So it doesn't really matter what you do. I think I'm going to do a pizza shop. So like that, make a square. Get this tool. Make some sort of a pizza slice. Just go here, copy and paste it, then make it yellow and then slightly smaller. Then center both of them on the cross. It look like cheese on a pizza. We don't have any crust, but I like crust. I put pepperoni on there. Rearrange them a little bit. Kind of like that. So I'm going to resize this down. Maybe something like that. That's decent size. And get this. A bit smaller maybe. And give it a cost. So I am going to go for 250. And then go in here. And then change all these. So we need pizza level. We're just kind of cloning the variables that we already have. We need pizza max. Then we need pizza profit. And we're just going to switch out all the variables. So you see it says lemonade stand max to no. Change that to pizza max to no. Lemonade stand profit, pizza profit. Level, pizza level. So just kind of cloning it. We've already done all the hard stuff. So maxed, make sure you remember which ones are which. And just go through changing them all. So this might take a while. So I think what I'm going to do is go out here, get rid of this, and leave that in there. I'm going to do one of them. Oh wait, no, hold on. We just want to get rid of the variable. I'm going to get rid of all that. And then we're going to duplicate this. We're going to control and put it in an if statement, because this is an if else statement, which was like if this condition isn't met, then this is met. We only want one singular condition. This is the if else. Then you want to go ahead and duplicate that many times. Make sure you leave it like this, so it's not like, for example, like that. You don't want it in on each other. Separate pieces, so it's the symmetrical way down. Make sure you've got on that. So that will just save you a little bit of time. So I need to change this to pizza profit. Even if you have no idea what you're doing, trust me, as long as you just change the variables, you should be fine. And go ahead and put this back in here. I'll change it to pizza maxed. We have this costume as well, which is maxed. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. But just get this. Just change it to max like that. And at the start of the game, it switches to costume 1. But it's in the same place, and that is obviously not what we want. So you're going to want to move it down. It's Y, which is the up and down axis. And maybe, yeah, actually 0 is just fine. Where it is right now. We do want to fit a third one in there, actually, so maybe like use a bit of the space up more. 10, 8. Yeah, that looks good. So there we go. Also, we want the profit to be more than 5. So I'm going to go for 30. Sorry, I forgot to change your list. I just realised. Give me. Like that. So I'm just going to check over this. Looks fine. So I'm just going to see. Make sure you save. See what happens. So if I just play the game normally, like a normal player, just wait until I have enough to afford the pizza shop and buy that. But it is only costing 50 by the looks of things. Let's just change that. Change money by minus 250 instead. Because we can also go into minus money if we have above the right amount of money, so we need to fix that. Now it's taking 250 off of us, and it's giving us 30. And we're gaining 10. And that's because we have multiple of each. So that looks good. Oh wait, no, we need to add the variable counter, showing you how many levels you have. Let's go ahead and do that. So we need to lower this down, maybe. Minus 10. 15. 19. That's about right. So we're gonna get pizza level. Drag that. There. So there you go. I'm also gonna have a start on something else. As you can see, we have levels for this, for the times it's been upgraded. For next time, we're gonna make a costume, I think. Or just use this maybe later. A costume for when it gets upgraded a certain amount of times. So when you upgrade 10 times, it turns into maybe a dollar bill. How big's that in comparison to that? It's not big enough. That seems just about big enough. Also, we need that to go to the front. So that one as well. But there. That line looks kind of weird though. And it's a little bit smaller. There we go, now the lines didn't touch the top and bottom. So we save that. And we made a costume. So that's all for this time. So thank you for watching. Smash like and thanks and bye.